Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by creating your interactive broker's account and choosing the correct account type for day trading. Once done, upload ID and proof of address, then link your bank and transfer initial funds so you can trade immediately. Make sure to request margin and pattern day trader permissions and enable API access if you plan to use automation. These permissions change buying power. You'll avoid delays by preparing the 1099 and bank details beforehand, so the verification completes faster and your trading window opens sooner. You now install Trader Workstation or IBKR Mobile and build a focused layout. Chart on left, blotter and DOM on right, and a trade ticket visible. Next, set up order types you use most: limit, stop, stop limit, and trailing stop, and pick a default time enforce like GTC or day so orders behave predictably. Then subscribe to real-time market data for your instruments, create watch lists, assign hotkeys for fast entries and exits, and establish pre-trade risk limits to prevent oversized positions. You finish by validating everything in the paper trading environment. Run full trade simulations, check fills, slippage, and margin behavior so you know how live trades will perform. Once confident, switch credentials to live mode, confirm two-factor authentication works, and run a small pilot trade. If orders fail or connectivity drops, review TWS logs, restart the platform, and verify API keys and market data subscriptions. If problems persist, contact Interactive Brokers support with your account ID and exact timestamps so they can resolve.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.